guys, welcome back to Lincoln MKX. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. In today's video guys, we'll be working on Lincoln MKX guys, and if you need to remove or replace front or rear door panel guys or in your Lincoln MKX guys, stay with us and we'll show you how to do that. Now we'll demonstrate on the front left door panel, but we will explain if you need to replace the rear one. The procedure will not be much different at all guys. In addition, we'll have more than 200 videos on this car and every car we get at the shop, because our mission is to save you guys as much money as we can. So please subscribe to the channel, like the video, leave a comment below and let us know if the video was helpful. So let's start on it now. So first we need to remove a few covers here, okay, like that. Now we need to get a Torx 20 star looking bit guys, all the tools and parts that we use in our videos guys. We'll have the links in the description of the video below for your convenience, so please do check them out. Perfect, one screw is out. Now what we have, okay, we have one more right here. Okay, this one, ours is a little bit messed up. It's spinning a little bit. Okay, we have one more towards the bottom. That's a Phillips screwdriver. We have one more right there. And one more towards the bottom side. Two more on the bottom guys. So make sure you stand till the end to see where all of them are. Now the ones underneath, okay, you can see where they are. Perfect. Now guys, we have one hidden one that's under that cap for the door handle right here, and this one is with 732's socket, and we'll go ahead and remove that one as well. Okay, you gotta make sure you pull it out, otherwise the panel may not come out. Perfect, like that. Have to make sure that the mirror is not holding here. Nope, everything is good on this side. Now we'll get a plastic panel removal too guys, okay, like this one here, and we'll start prying all the clips open. If the panel hasn't been removed, it will come out a little bit harder, and then you need to pull up. Okay, once all the clips come out, you need to pull up. But there is a clip right here guys. Okay, there is a clip right there holding. And we need to disconnect now, okay, the wires. How you do that? Okay, right here on this one there is one thing that you press down and pull it out. Okay, I'm talking about this notch right here. One more on this side here. And we have guys, okay, this is the speaker wire, the tweeter wire that comes to right there. Now we have the wires for the window switch. Okay, and this one you press down here, you pull it out. This one as well, and this is for the mirror switch, I think, the connector. Okay, and the door panel came out of the way like that. Let us show you where all the clips are now. On the back side, some may be broken guys, so you have to be careful, okay, how you install them later, because okay, you can see we have a clip here, we have a clip over there, then we have on top, okay, right here we have a clip, and here we have one guide, I think, that it goes in, that holds it in place. And pretty much guys, okay, this should be all the clips that we have here for the door panel. So that's how you guys remove front door panel on Lincoln MKX. This is for the front left side. Front right passenger side will be about the same procedure with a little bit less wires on the window switch. So hopefully guys the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching guys. Please subscribe to the channel and see you guys next time.